In this tutorial, you'll learn how to adjust the capitalization of text in Canva, whether it's headings, subheadings, or body text. Here's a step-by-step guide. Once you're in your Canva workspace, look for the text option on the left-hand side of the screen. You can choose to add a heading, subheading, or body text by clicking on one of these options. Drag and drop them onto your canvas to position them as needed. Click on the text box you want to modify. This could be your heading, subheading, or any other text you've added. At the top toolbar, you'll see a button with AA symbols. This is the capitalization toggle. Uppercase. Clicking this button will convert all the selected text to uppercase letters. Lowercase. Click again to revert the text back to lowercase, or to its original capitalization format. Mixed case text. If your text includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase, the tool will not change the original format unless you specifically toggle it to all uppercase or lowercase. You can click and drag to select multiple text elements, or hold down the Shift key and click each text box individually. With all the desired text boxes selected, use the uppercase/lowercase toggle to apply the change across all selected text. Sometimes when you change the capitalization, the alignment might shift slightly. You can adjust the alignment using the alignment tools, left, center, right, found in the top toolbar. If the text shifts out of alignment, you can manually adjust its position on the canvas to maintain your design layout.